You and your daughter do 3Sum for rich men. Very dark man replies Iyabo Ojo speaks dealt about her personal life. Welcome to Sumi Crown TV. Please do well to click on subscribe, express yourself in the comment section, and give this video a thumbs up like. Social media activist Martins Vincent Otse, better known as Very Dark Man, has lashed back at Nollywood actress Iyabo Ojo. Sumi Crown TV reported that the popular TikToker had dragged the movie star over interference in late singer Mohbad's case, calling her a failure. Replying him, Iyabo rained several unbeatable words at him, calling his mother a failure and a shameless, while adding that his mother failed in raising him. She stated that she blames Blood and music superstar Davido for giving him relevance. Now replying her, Very Dark Man alleged that the movie star cum reality star and her daughter had been having a 3Sum with rich men. He called the mom of two a queen mother of 3Sum, as he stated that everything about her is dry. According to him, Iyabo tries hard to fit in among the young people and has been having private with men along with her daughter. You are a queen mother of 3Sum. Everything about you is dry. You try so hard to fit in among the young people. You and your daughter do 3Sum for rich women. Reacting to his outrageous claim, One Love casted wrote, "Hope he has the proof of the mother and daughter 3Sum, else Iyabo should sue him for defamation." Because at this back, Very Dark Man has thrown a subtle shade at Iyabo Ojo and Tonto Dike, the popular TikToker, while revealing the reasons he hates music producer Sam Clef, stated that the trio are clout chasing with the death of Mohbad. He stated that he is a patient man and would wait no matter the years it takes for Iyabo and Tonto to fight so the truth will come out. Thank you for listening to us, and please don't forget to click on subscribe, give this video a thumbs up like, go to the comment section and contribute. Thank you.